So, step three, once you've chosen a lot of your song lyrics, is to start trying to write some sort of a draft. But first, I think it's easier to just try to start rearranging lyrics into things like small groups of song lyrics that might go together. Maybe trying to think about what you want to start your poem with. What do you want to open the poem with? What idea? So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm actually going to scroll up, and here I have all of these lyrics just in a row, and they're all different fonts and everything. So I'm actually going to highlight them all and put them so that they're the same font, just so that I can start feeling like they're all one thing. I'm also going to get rid of some of the spaces between them. So you might want to take a moment and just work on that. Okay. So I'm going to start there. So now everything kind of feels like it goes together. And I'm actually going to just hit enter so that I can get all of this on one page so that I can start drafting. Now, here's all my lyrics, okay? So I'm just going to start reading through them and notice if there's anything that I could put together. So it says, and tasted the sweet perfume, found my heart, I know I've grown. I miss the way you make me feel. Don't you get involved. Just love, understanding, possibility. We could change this whole world. Ooh, this line right here. Maybe I could start with this. So I'm going to highlight it in like yellow because I'm thinking maybe I could start with that. You can do whatever you want. I'm just going to make a note to start. Okay. I didn't reckon that I did it right. I was younger then. Take me back to when. Ooh, okay. So I'm noticing that I was younger then, take me back to when, and I'm gonna cut that and I'm gonna put it up here with I know I've grown because this is an idea about age or time changing. So I can put that together here. Okay. So found my heart, I'm seeing love, understanding, and positivity. So I'm gonna put those together here. I miss the way you make me feel and it's real. So everybody's talking about growth. Okay, so here's another thing with growth. So I'm going to move that up here and put this with growth. So I'm noticing I have a couple things about growth. I'm actually going to highlight these all in a different color, all of these words about growth, so that I can kind of see if maybe I come back to that, if that could be helpful. So I'm going to start with that. Okay. So just start kind of grouping things and see what you find. There might be words that don't make any sense. Oop. All right. I see something here about love. So I'm going to take that. I'm going to put that up here with my other love things and heart. So now, you know what? I'm going to do the same thing. I've got heart and love. So I'm going to choose a new color for that. Let's go with blue. Okay. So this is the idea. It doesn't need to be anything perfect. We're going to actually do some revisions later in the week, but start thinking about if you can group lines together and come up with some sort of a poem idea here. And again, I think I want to start with this. So I'm going to move this to the top here. And you might have a couple lines that just don't fit. You could get rid of them or maybe just put them all the way at the bottom so that they don't kind of get in the way, but you don't lose them. You could also go back and look at the lyrics again if you feel like you have a cool part, but it doesn't quite fit. So this is the step 3, is just to start going through and kind of reorganizing and see if you can put them into pieces that kind of go together. And then we'll take it to the next step later in the week. Have fun, everybody.